Hi students, today we will see the merits and demerits of getting loan from commercial banks. So first merits, number one, economical. It is a cheaper source of finance because it does not involve formalities like underwriting and issue a prospectus. We can get loan from a commercial bank with a very low cost. It is a very cheap source as there are very less legal formalities to be done. Next is secrecy. The banks keep the information given or supplied by the borrower confidential and the business can maintain its secrecy. Secrecy and the secrets of the business can be maintained with obtaining loan from commercial banks as the bank does not disclose any information that is received from the borrower to the general public or someone else. Next is timely availability of funds. Banks provide funds to companies as and when required. So the funds can be available timely from taking loan from the commercial banks. Next is flexible source of finance. It is very flexible source of finance as the loan amount can be increased or repaid during the requirements of the business. According to the requirements of the business, we can repay the loan in installments also if the bank provides such services and such facilities. We can also repay the loan in installments or in a lump sum manner after the completion of the term of the loan. So it is quite flexible source of finance. Next is concessional rate. Commercial bank also provide credit to small units at concessional rates under their special schemes and according to the directives of the Reserve Bank of India. The Government of India also extends various special schemes under the directive of the Reserve Bank of India to provide loans to small enterprises, to small business houses at concessional rates. So this is also a merit from the point of view of the company or the business to obtain loan from the commercial banks. Next is short-term financing. Bank loan is usually available for short duration only. Generally, renewal of loan is uncertain whether the loan can be renewed or not. This is quite uncertain and it is quite difficult to renew the loan. So the short-term financing source, taking loan from commercial organization is a source of short-term financing only. Next is difficult procedure. The procedure for obtaining funds through this source is quite difficult as bank make detailed investigation about the borrower's business, his credit standing, his capacity to repay the loan. Next is restrictive clauses. The bank may put certain restrictions on the business like sale of mortgaged goods causing difficulty in functioning of the business. So there may be some restrictive clauses. The bank may put certain restrictions on the borrower as regarding the sale of the mortgage assets or the assets against which is provided as security against the loan, or some other restrictions may be put by the bank. Next is fixed burden. The interest on bank loan is also a fixed burden. It is to be paid whether the business has earned profits or not, irrespective of that. Even if the business has not earned profits, the business needs to pay interest on the bank loan. Next is public deposits. Merits, simplicity. It is very simple and easy method to obtain deposits from the public. Next, it is also very economical as there are less formalities in obtaining deposits from the public, but only companies can do that. Next is no security. Public deposits are unsecured so the company is not required to mortgage its assets with the investors. The company does not needs to provide any security against such public deposits. Next is no dilution of control. Also, the public deposits don't enable the shareholders to vote in the meeting of the company. Neither the management of the company is affected with the public deposits. So there is no dilution of control in the management of the company as the shareholders' control over the company remains unaffected with the issue and receipts of public deposit. Next is flexibility. Public deposits allow flexibility in the financial structure of the company. This could be raised when required and returned when not.